Hey everybody, welcome back to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie and this is my Tuesday 60-second winter DIY. What's it gonna be today? Well, I was working along in my craft room and I actually came up with two 60-second DIYs. Surprise! I'm so excited to bring it to you today. So what do you say? Sit back and let's enjoy a Tuesday 60-second DIYs. This first 60-second DIY is so easy. I'm just using an old scrap piece of burlap that I had. And then we've all seen this Let It Snow frame at Dollar Tree. And then I have some sort of maroon raffia. So let's start the clock and here we go. All you do is just pop off that Let It Snow. I love that. It's so cool. I've used it in lots of other DIYs. But I just wanted to spruce up this one just a little bit, make it a little more rustic and a little more farmhouse. So all I did was just add a little bit of texture with this burlap piece, just hot gluing it on there really quick. And then we're gonna secure it in the back. I've got about 30 more seconds to go. Now all you have to do is hot glue that piece right on top. I love the board already done. It's already got the white and the rustic look with a touch of snowflakes. And then I just made a really quick raffia bow to add on there. Whatever you have, natural color raffia would be pretty. I just liked this maroon, kind of added a little simple touch of color. And there you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we made it. Look how elegant this looks. Just with a little bit of burlap, it turns it into a whole new piece. What do you think? I love it. And for the next 60-second DIY, this is so incredibly easy. This star I got at Hobby Lobby, 90% off. So this little jewel was 99 cents or $1. And then I'm using a ring from Dollar Tree, you know, where it comes in a pack of 3 of them. So I'm using the smaller one and we got to start the clock. And all I'm doing is just cutting the star right off of the little curly-Q thing that goes on top of a Christmas tree. Now, if you don't have this star, I was thinking you could just grab like a wooden star and then just wrap it with some twine. I think it would come out just as good and I think it would be beautiful. All I'm doing is hot gluing the tips of the star and adding it to the ring. And all I'm doing now is just taking my hot glue gun and just kind of reinforcing it over the ring, just adding a little bit of hot glue there. And as I was doing that, I was thinking, does it need a bow? Maybe just a little bit of a twine bow. I tried it on there and I did not like it. It was just like I was trying too hard. The simplicity of it, I think, is what makes it so gorgeous. And so we are done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! We made it. I love how this turned out. It's so simplistic, it's elegant, and it still has a little rustic feel to it. And that's my little leg warmer candle that I made in my last video. I love how that turned out too. So all of this is so wintry and perfect for the January and February season. Here are both of my 60-second DIYs. I just think they were so easy. And with a little imagination, we can take something that we've always seen and just make it a little bit of high-end decor. I hope you love it too. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a great time on my Tuesday 60-second DIY. And I want to encourage you to tune in on Friday for a special edition, Crafting with my Nomi, with my good friend Dave from Dave's Recent Things. And it will happen at 5 o'clock Eastern Time. And then I'll also have my regular Saturday full DIY episode. So thanks for joining me today on Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.